Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Today I have a really fun shadow box for you. This is my Halloween candy shadow box. Isn't that so fun? That happy little jack-o'-lantern is there with all kinds of candy for the trick-or-treaters. So much fun with all that detail, the spider webs, just such a bright, fun shadow box. This project is really easy to put together and I cannot wait to show it to you. Let's go ahead and grab all of our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project was part of Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts 2023. If you'd like to purchase the individual cut file for this project, you can head to my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. This project is also available with the VIP Access Pass. With the VIP Access Pass, you get access to all 12 event files, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. For more information on the VIP Access Pass, you can head to thebeardedhousewife.com/WBPC2023. I have both links listed in the video description. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. You'll see that the design has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I am using. I have listed that shadow box in the materials list of the tutorial. The inside dimensions for that shadow box are 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If you're going to be using this project in a different shadow box or possibly on a card and need to resize the image, you can do so within the sizing menu. Just make sure to keep the proportions locked so the design doesn't distort at all. Since I already have this set to the dimensions that I need it to be, I'm going to go ahead and click Make It, and you'll see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see when it's time to put everything together. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. One thing that you can do is you can add some foam squares to add some dimension between the layers. I think the two that I would recommend putting foam squares behind would be layer number 2, which is the cream, and layer number 8, which is the red. I'm not going to add any foam squares this time. I'm just going to stack everything together. So starting from back to front, we would do the pink, then the cream, then the light blue, the darker blue, the orange, green, brown, and red. I do have a layering guide within the download to help visualize how to layer everything together, so I would refer you to that. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my shadow box. I have already removed all the packaging from the shadow box, and then I added some of the pins that are included with this particular shadow box bundle. That will help push everything to the front since I'm not using any foam squares. I'll set that to the side for a minute. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start to layer in the different pieces. Alright, now I'll add the backing and seal it all up. And there is our fun Halloween candy shadow box. Isn't that so cute? Isn't this design adorable? If you don't want to use it in a shadow box, you can totally resize the design and put it on a card. How awesome would that be? If you make this project, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through our Facebook group or through email. I would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Bye!